What is it going to be? Well, it doesn't matter. Whoever's off the runway or
Whoever's
whoever's
off
last
the
down.
runway,
or last down.
Or the last one on the runway. So let's, we're going to count on the airplane has to stay on the runway.
Okay.
So if they
When it
land and
lands-
they hit the runway and go off, they're off.
Off, okay.
It has to end up on the runway.
Got it.
So we'll tell everybody
Okay.
that.
You know who had one of these? Crazy J. The red one? Remember? Ooh, that's dangerous.
Yeah. No, but I'm looking at these servos.
Gigante!
Standard.
Those are standard servos.
Standard servos.
So when the music stops, everyone's got to land on the runway. If it bounces off the runway into the grass, no good. It's got to land and stay on the runway.
Who's stopping and starting the music?
We all have to stand. That's okay.
You can hit the grass but end up on the runway. But wherever your plane ends up, it's got to be on the runway. Okay.
What if you half on, half off?
What is your half on, half off? Mark.
The judges will decide.
The judges will decide.
That's these guys right here.
So who's stopping and starting the music?
You know, I am.
Oh, then
Lenny, who's stopping the music?
Oh, she's got it. Okay.
Everyone ready? Let's go. One.
Oh, Lord Jesus, that's a lot. Holy damn. Yeah! That is a whole lot of planes. That's a whole lot of planes.
Catherine!
Last down. Last down. Last down. Whap! Last down.
So last time's out.
That's the last down.
He's out.
Yep.
Let Jeff know he's out. This one's out.
That's out.
That's out.
Yep, that's it.
Worry about yourself, Robert.
Woo! Woo! All right.
Robert. Burning Man's trying to cheat the system, man.
Can't pimp the system, bro.
All right, y'all. Everybody get ready.
Can't pimp the
Start the
system.
music.
Musica!
Catherine, start the music.
Launch! No shoes on the feet. The hell? Woo! Up. Ah! Splat! Out. Who was last down though? This one? Okay. He was off, but that's the last one down. You're last. Yep. Sorry. Slip in, slip in, slip in. This is a quick. I like this one. This one's fast.
The music.
No, the event. Go ahead.
And there were 5.
And then there were 5. 4. stuff. Everybody down. Out.
Is that Burning Man? Somebody
That one done.
before the music even started.
Yeah, but he was still on the runway. That one's last.
Is that you, Burning Man?
I think that's Jim.
That's Jim?
Do. 3.
3 left.
First, second, third. Got it. Yes. He's done. Yeah.
He's out. He's done.
So it's 3 left, you guys. This will be first, second, third. I don't know. Oh, that's Chris.
Okay, launch.
Go ahead, guys. One. Oh, nope, off the runway. Ah, that's off. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you did. You're number 2, though. Burning Man's number 1. You're number 1.
Burning Man.
All right, so Lenny.
Man, you killed it.
So Lenny, he's number 1. Well, he was flying though.
But he was out the first round. First one.
What?
How?
Robert was out the first round.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, he was. He was.
I wasn't.
He was mouth to mouth to mouth.
Wait.
I was never out. You know what? It's all done. He won.
That's 1.
It doesn't matter.
He's number 2.
Okay,
And
now
this
we
guy's
know who
number
the
3.
cheaters are.
Doesn't matter. It's all for a couple tickets. It's worthless.
I want to recount.
He's number 2.
Qualify him.
Number 2.
No, that guy.
I got you.
Yeah.
And Julius.
Yeah, Julius is number 3.
Who's number 3? Julius.
Julius.
It can't be number 2 and number 3.
No, he's number 3.
Who's number 2?
Two's this guy.
Michael Kahn is number 2.
The music was too loud for you.
These results are official.
Yes. Official.
All protests,
There are none.
everything, just
There are none. There are none.
going to hear. Leave it out.
All right, how are we going to do this now?
Don't ring the bell.
That's the one to do it. Ring the bell.
Jet time, baby.